Hello friends, welcome to another interesting video. In this I will do long-term review, provide overview and some details about iPhone 7 must-have accessories like Apple 20-watt power adapter, Apple AirPods Lightning connector, Apple Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, Apple Lightning digital AV adapter, Vayona Lightning to Type A USB charging cable, Mi Pocket Power Bank Pro 10,000 mAh and Spigen tempered glass screen guard. One by one I will show and explain as per the priority of these listed 7 accessories that we required most and also share my honest opinion. So let's start with the most important accessory, that is of course the Apple 20-watt power adapter, and it costed me around Rs 1900 and comes with 1 year warranty. Very recently Apple has stopped providing it with iPhone and need to purchase separately. Without this power adapter we can't even imagine using iPhone. Overall build quality of this power adapter and cable that comes with iPhone is quite superb and perform impressively. The power adapter offers fast and efficient charging. It is one of the fastest among all the Apple's power adapters so far produced for iPhones. During my long-term usage, it charged my iPhone 12 up to 50% within 30 to 40 minutes, charge up to 70% in 50 minutes to 1 hour, whereas to charge up to 100% it takes nearly about 2 hours time. The cable is tangle-free and easily handles daily basis rough and tough usage. Second one is Apple's AirPods with Lightning connector. It costed me around Rs 2,500 and comes with 1 year warranty. The pods are in-ear and quite aerodynamic in shape. Unlike traditional circular earbuds, the design of the AirPods is defined by the geometry of the ear, which makes them more comfortable for more people than any other earbud-style earphones. The speakers inside the AirPods have been engineered to maximize sound output and minimize sound loss, which means you get high quality audio. In my opinion, bass is quite low and it's a major letdown. The AirPods with Lightning connector also include a built-in switch that lets you adjust the volume, control the playback of music and video, and answer or end calls. The cable is quite flexible and feels very delicate, but so far proven durable during my rough and tough usage till date. Get frequently tangled and dirty. That needs to be carefully cleaned by wet tissue or soft fabric. So far I did not notice any wear and tears on it even after 7 months. Third one is Apple's Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. It costed me Rs 900 and comes with 1 year warranty. It contains one lightning port and female 3.5mm jack. Cable is thin and quite short, flexible and delicate too. This adapter lets you connect devices like earphones, headphones and even microphones that use a 3.5mm audio plug to your Lightning devices. Fourth one is the Apple's Lightning digital AV adapter. It costed me Rs 4,900 and comes with 1 year warranty. Use this adapter with your iPhone, iPad or iPod with Lightning connector. The Lightning digital AV adapter supports lag-free real-time mirroring of your iPhone with large screens or displays enabled with HDMI port. For this you need to connect this adapter with HDMI cable, and that cable gets connected with large screens so you can enjoy your stuff like playing games, watching videos, using apps, presentations, websites, slideshows and many more on a large and big displays up to 1080p HD resolution. HDMI cable needs to be purchased separately. Now we talk about remaining 3 non-Apple accessories that are also equally good. First we start with Vayona Lightning to Type A USB charging cable. That is our 5th accessory. It costed me Rs 419 and comes with 1 year warranty. Overall build quality is quite premium. Compatible with iPhones, iPad Air, iPad Mini, iPod Nano and iPod Touch. It can charge and sync simultaneously at a rapid speed, compatible with any charging adapter, multi-port charging station or power banks. Durable nylon braided design with premium aluminum housing and toughened nylon fiber. Provides superior durability and add a bit to its flexibility. Sixth one is Mi Pocket Power Bank Pro 10,000 mAh. It costed me Rs 1,099 and comes with 6 months warranty only. Overall build quality is quite good. Outer body have self-embossed lining pattern that keeps it scratch proof. It is loaded with several features like 22.5 watt ultra fast charging, power delivery 3.0, super lightweight, pocket size and fully charged in 6 hours. Have one switch to check quick power status with 4 LED indicator lights. Comes with dual input port for charging and have 3 output ports to charge your phones. You can easily charge more than one device at a time. Now friends, as we reach to our last and 7th accessory, that is Spigen Alignmaster Tempered Glass Screen Guard, and the one which I am reviewing here is meant for iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro bundled in 2-pack. It costed me rupees 1438 and comes with no warranty. It is loaded with features like oleophobic coating to minimize fingerprint smudges, rated with durability 9H hardness to protect from everyday scratches. Alignmaster frame allows perfect and easy installation. Back case friendly as it goes well with Spigen as well as other back cases available in market. But I noticed in my daily use that it is fingerprint magnet, gives overall good protection to my iPhone till date, and so far I have used only one of the two pieces comes in pack. Friends, for your convenience, I have provided details and purchase links of all the 7 accessories under description section. I hope you find this video useful. If yes, then please like, subscribe and hit bell icon so I can bring many more such interesting videos in future. For any additional info about the listed 7 accessories, please let me know in comment section. Thanks for watching and goodbye.